कितें आशिल्ली
मीटिंग आमचे सीएमान आमकां ब्रीफ केल्लें आसा रिगार्डींग मादी इशू एंड ऑल डिफरंट अदर इश्यूज एंड आमी मेळोंक नासले न्हू लास्ट 2.5 months सो आमचे एमएलए मिटींग म्हणून तांच्यांनी घेतलेली
खंयचे खंयचे इश्यूज म्हणजे म्हादय सोडून आनी खंयचे
मादी इश्यूज वदर एंड रिगार्डींग डिफरंट इश्यूज लायक पोर्टल्स PWD इश्यूज वदर एंड अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑल दट इश्यूज आमी डिस्कस केल्ले आसा
पोर्टल अजून आहा
आसा न्हू दे बीन रिपेरींग इट नाव
माद्याचेर कितें डिस्कशन जालां
they already called delegation to Delhi with all the parties, different parties, and they already Tanzania Sanglaki that it was given by a low officer and they will keep it in abeyance.
पूण अपडेट
And we'll receive a letter after that. In a
10
week.
दिसांचो टायम जो कितें
Yeah,
जाला होपफुल आहा म्हणून
yes,
गव्हर्मेंट
yes. CM दर मेलो ओदी बरो he'll give a clear clarity on that. If we talk to CM, he'll give a because they were there, no, in Delhi.
So only two issues and nothing else.
Yeah, different issues. We normally we meet up, no, all MLAs meet up.
जॉबांचे बी कितें
ना ताजेर काय उलोवप जावना
PWD minister when they are going to start
works already going on, no, filling of portals are going on.